The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Welcome back. In our last video, we explored Law 1. Never outshine the master. Today, we're diving into Law 2 of Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. This law reveals one of the biggest traps in relationships, careers, and even politics. Part 1. The core message: friends are tricky. We assume they're loyal, but history and experience show they can betray us out of envy, entitlement, or emotion. On the other hand, enemies, once converted, often prove more reliable because they have something to prove. The key lesson: don't blindly trust friendships in matters of power. Keep some distance and don't underestimate the usefulness of former enemies. Part 2. Real-life illustration historical. History gives us countless examples. Emperor Michael III of Byzantium trusted his closest friend, Basil the Macedonian. Basil was like family, showered with gifts, promotions, and power. But the closer Basil got, the more ambitious he became. Eventually, Basil betrayed Michael, had him murdered, and took the throne himself. The emperor's mistake: putting blind trust in a friend who turned out to be his greatest threat. Part 3. Real-life illustration modern. Think about the workplace. A manager hires his best friend as a partner. At first, everything seems perfect. But soon, personal issues bleed into work. The friend feels entitled, questions decisions, and eventually sabotages the relationship. Why? Because familiarity breeds resentment. Now contrast that with hiring a former rival. They know they're being watched, so they work harder to prove themselves and stay loyal to protect their new chance. Part 4. How to apply it in real life. So, how do we live this law today? 1. Don't rely on friends blindly. Mix loyalty with practicality. 2. Keep healthy boundaries in friendships, especially in business. 3. Use former rivals wisely. They can become strong allies when given trust carefully. 4. Always diversify your circle. Don't put all your faith in one person. Part 5. Closing wisdom. The people closest to you can betray you because they feel entitled to your success. And the ones who were once against you may become your most loyal allies because they've tasted the other side. The smart player doesn't hate or trust blindly. They use people wisely, whether friend or foe. That's Law 2 of the 48 Laws of Power. What do you think? Do you trust your friends too much? Or have you ever seen a rival become an ally? Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for the next law in the series.